Well, hello everybody. It's been a long time since I made a video, and I'm at the point now where about almost 600 of you have subscribed to me, and I've just not had a lot to go record, and mainly because I don't know what you want to see. You know, when you're doing a YouTube channel, everybody says, ask your audience. Well, I never really had an audience to ask, and I think I do with all the people that I have now. So the one thing I can't offer at this point is any more quail videos because right now my quail operation is shut down. But I have gardening, I have a woodworking shop, I have a lot of things. I don't know what you want to know. I'm also an AI writer. I make about $80,000 a year writing with AI. I can show videos on that. But if you want to know about the mini homestead we have here, our 80-year-old house, what we're doing around the home, I'd really wish, and I really would like, if you guys would just comment down below what you would like me to make some videos on. It would really help. I want to make some. It doesn't matter to me if only 2 of you respond. But I'd like to know what you want to see. So give 5 minutes of thought to it, if you will, and just jot down below. Give me some ideas to work with. I'd love to put some videos together that would really help my audience, you guys, in whatever way I can. I've got theology background. I've got 70 years of life. What is it that you'd like to know about? If you just tell me, I'll be glad to help you out. And until I get those results, see you next time.